What you just say? What you just say? She should have mama here instead of yours. Go ahead. Right, Feisty. Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is bright and early another morning to start another routine to get things done around here. And I'm starting off my routine this morning with getting my boy ready for school. Come say morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Yes, Ty.
We went to Kingston to Australia, and we went to Jamaica to Australia. But oh no, we went Kingston to Australia.
Morning, guys. It's early morning. About to go get to work. Well, everybody's up this morning.
Everybody is up, even Sarah.
Tyler was extra early up to this morning. I don't know what happened to him. He slept so well the last day and this morning. Maybe because you know his school is jumping out of the bed. So yeah, I hope you all doing well. That's gonna be a good day, right?
Yup.
Yes, I wish all of you a good day too. And I'll see you guys soon, okay? Have a good day.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Ty. What is it?
Oh, Jamaica is beside Australia.
No, Ocharius is in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Alright, Tyler.
And also
Change Charlie call the car.
okay. And also Australia is inside the Jamaican Kingston.
Right. You guys, like I said, everybody is up. Tyler is ready for school early. And I am going to get green juice started. You guys see I'm in workout attire. I'm in business today. Don't forget that you have workout today, my love, when you get home.
Where's Paris, Mama?
Where?
Where's Paris?
Paris is not on there. That's Jamaica map.
Oh.
So I'm making my green juice, and then I'm gonna finish get Sarah dressed, and drop Tyler to school. Come back and jump right into workout routine. So that way I can get my day really going. I'm happy that I'm just falling back in place with my routine so well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
There's not 50% that are dirty in my book.
Ah?
There's not 30% that are in my book.
No, not yet.
Okay. But it's today I'm going to do it.
I don't know, Ty. Your teacher will tell you. Can you just go and sit and watch TV and play with your sister?
Okay.
So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And honestly, my routine haven't changed. Don't shake her, Ty. My routine haven't changed where workout is concerned. It's the same. Wake up, get green juice, do workouts, and just continue on with my meals throughout the day. Right now it's green juice time. You guys have my cup from the bridal party still. Right, try. Yes. Who want my cucumber? Somebody wants it. One of you want it? Wants it. And of course, you guys, my green juice method haven't changed. It's the same: apple, celery, cucumber, ginger. That's it.
Yes. Yes, Mama.
You want some?
Yes. That one's for me.
Wait.
That one's for me.
No, it's for me. And I get 1 cup of Berkshire goodness. Let me show you guys Sarah. Let me show you guys my princess. Good morning. Good morning, friend. Good morning, friend. Good morning, princess. Good morning, Sarah girl. You wake up early, ready to carry Rada to school? Ready to carry Rada to school? Yes. Ready. Look at her, she's still smiling.
Mama.
Yes.
And drink stuff.
Very good.
See, I drink it.
You drink it up?
Yes. No more for doing the cup.
Alright. Oh my gosh, guys, look at me. Got my run done. I did 20 minutes this morning, 9 kilometers per hour. I pushed myself more than the last time. I guess because everybody was home and I was paying attention to so many things around me. I did 15 minutes run on my first day back. On my second day run, I did 20 minutes. What I try not to do each time that I run is to not go less than what I did previous. So last time I did 15 minutes run, this morning I did 20 minutes run, on my way to 30 minutes run. And when I reach 30, I want to keep it steady at 30 for a long while. So yeah, I'm trying to get myself to 30, but 20 minutes run, and my girl is such a champ. She's still sleeping in order for me to get my run done. Ooh, and I think she's waking up a bit. So now that I finish doing my run, I'm gonna get my abs in and see how much I can get done before Sarah wakes up. But yeah, let's do this. Look at her. She's still sleeping. Didn't even take her out that outfit since we got home because she was sleeping and I didn't want to disturb her. So she's sleeping and that's all that matters right now. Guys, workout was amazing. Just as I was about to finish up, I hear somebody go, ah! Sarah woke up, but that's completely okay. I did enough. I did one. She gave me 1 hour, and that's more than luxury when you have a baby 4 months old and working out. 1 hour, I couldn't thank her enough. So workout was good. I got my run in. I got my abs done, and now I'm in the kitchen whipping up breakfast. And for breakfast, I am going to be steaming some callaloo. Yes, you guys, I still have lots of callaloo remain, and I'm making use of every single ounce. I'm gonna steam some callaloo and also still have tin mackerel remain. And I'm gonna do some tin mackerel and maybe fry an egg on the side. And that's what I do for breakfast today. And there goes breakfast. Breakfast is done. Already. Callaloo. Yes, I'm only having veggies and the mackerel. That's it. Jeez, this reminds me of home so bad. Bringing Jamaica back. Yes. You can take me out of Jamaica, but you can't take the Jamaica out of me. Boom. Let me show you guys my girl. She's a good sport. There she is watching TV. Look at her. What you doing, girl? What you doing, girl? What you doing, girl? Let me see that smile under there. What you doing? What you doing, pretty, pretty? You chilling in your chair? Sweet girl. Here she laughing. There goes my plate of breakfast. I didn't bother doing no egg. I think this is enough. Grub time, honey. Ah, what you doing? Yes, you. I'm talking to you. What you doing? Just in the oven, I'm making some roast chicken for dinner because it's soon time to go pick up my boy. Doing some roast chicken for dinner and think I'm gonna do some vegetable pasta real quick. So that's as easy as dinner will be, and then the veggie will be the rest of my callaloo from breakfast this morning. In the meantime, I'm also taking out my cornrows. And if you guys wondering how I do my roast chicken in the oven, I just season the chicken with my Jamaica seasoning, a little salt, and then I put olive oil over it, and that way it will become crispy when it's finished roasting. But yeah, I'm doing some work, looking after Sarah and multitasking, taking down my hair at the same time. But yeah, it's been a good day so far. And I'm making these veggie pastas. Not sure it will be enough, so I'm gonna add some of this one to it. Okay, you guys, so there goes dinner finished just in time. Skin crispy, roast, and pasta, and the vegetables over there. Finished just in time to go and pick up my boy from school. Amazing, look at you. How much is it?
8.
How you feel?
I feel it.
Well, run is run. You're doing well. You're doing well. Good job. Continue. Keep it up. You're not supposed to touch the ground.
One with black shoes.
This one?
Yes, that one. It's police. Yes, it's police. Yes.
You guys, everybody's home right now and we're doing bedtime routine and we're gonna read the book. Got from one of our faves, and the policeman one is the one he's been reading lately. So we want to continue read the policeman. You want me to start from the beginning?
Yes, it's here the beginning.
Okay. The policeman. See if your sister also listening. It says, who is the policeman? The policeman is a person who keeps order and discipline just like a teacher. They also catch criminals and put them behind bars. What does he wear? The policeman wears a special suit. The policeman eats a balanced and healthy diet to keep their bodies in good health. The policeman uses handcuffs to tie criminals' hands. The policeman do exercise regularly to keep a strong body.
Oh.
You say?
I say I'm going to give a hug to Sarah in first because she's very, very cute.
Okay. Give her a hug and kiss because you're going to bed.
Hug, Sarah. Give me a hug. Please.
Oh.
Give me a
Delaveaus
kiss,
of
Sarah.
cuteness.
Give me a kiss.
Oh.
A kiss? I really good. She's like, what with that kiss? Did you give me a kiss?
You get your kiss?
Yes.
You're happy now? It's wet. Alright, tell her night night.
Good night, Daisy.
Do you call her Feisty? You're funny. Not going to bed. fix your bottom lip. You get mama face, you get mama whole face. Today I took a picture with her and I'm seeing straight through me. Look at your lip. Go to your bed. Oh, go to your bed and it's Jolie and it's coming. Go to your bed. You want to stay up. You want to stay up all night. You want to stay up. You want to stay up all night. You want to stay up. You want to stay up all night. You want to stay up all night. You want to stay up all night. Julie and me. Julie in my face. Go to your bed. Go to your bed.
Alright.
Papa jealous. Papa jealous. Watch Julie upon my eye. Look.
Anything you want to tell me?
Anything I want to tell you?
Yeah.
No.
Like a Jamaican expression?
Yes, I want to give you the Jamaican expression, but you look like you were listening for something different. You guys, we're coming on to give you guys the expressions of today. The Jamaican expression of today. You're going to the Jamaican expression for the faves? Yes? Yes? The Jamaican expression of today is long mouth gal.
Long mouth gal. She not like it. She not like this expression. Tell mommy it's another one.
Oh, she's teething so bad.
What is, say it again? Long.
I joke mimic. Long mouth girl, I'm just kidding. Expression for today is depan. Depan.
Depan?
Mm-hmm.
I have no idea what it means.
What
depan.
do you think depan mean?
Depan?
Means. Depan. When I use it,
Go
you're
away.
gonna know it. Go away.
Go away.
No. When I use it, you're gonna know exactly what it means.
Say a sentence with it.
Yo, Bills, how you depan tomorrow?
What you up to?
Yes! Yes, baby!
Yes, man.
But you're not showing yourself. Crazy.
What you up to?
She's look on my hairline. Gone.
Well, your hair not depan.
Me look like a so fighting chicken.
You look like a mad
Mad girl.
like a mad girl.
Man,
just
no
fight.
more lace
Just
front
fight.
wig for me.
You know when you turn on internet and you see all of this mad girl, they're fighting each other. They have the same hair than you. It will come your hair. That's mama hair. That's a good thing mama
Some of
didn't
my
give you a
hairline
messy
is
hair.
gone. Just a little. What you just say? What you just say? She should have mama here instead of yours. Go ahead. Right, Feisty. Depan mean what are you up to?
Depan.
Yeah, like I use it just now. Babe, what you depan tomorrow?
Why you depan
What
tomorrow?
are you up to tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
What are you doing tomorrow?
Walking.
So you know what it means. Depan.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. What is a French expression?
Tu vas prendre la grosse tête. Oh, that's the French expression of the day. That's the French expression of the day. La grosse tête. La grosse tête. Tu as la grosse tête?
No.
Ah, what it means?
I have
What
a
it
big
means?
head.
What it means?
I have a big head.
No. What it means?
I have a big head?
No, that
No?
doesn't mean that.
What it mean?
Grosse tête means big head.
Right.
But that's not the meaning of la grosse tête.
Okay, what it means?
I'm asking you.
I don't know. I just tell you and you say no.
Elle a la grosse tête.
What it means?
It means you have a big head. That means it means.
That's
like,
what I just said.
No, it means like you don't feel yourself anymore. Oh, that's another French expression. It means like you just like somebody, for example, who show off too much, like somebody who do track and
Justin Gatlin, for example.
yeah, somebody who do track and that will, for example, he will do like you and one day will pop up and do something great and like the man not even gonna talk to you anymore. All of these things, his head
Okay.
become too big.
Okay.
Like
I
grosse
see.
tête.
I see. Okay.
It's not good. It's not good.
Obviously not.
It's not good.
Alright, la grosse tête. That's the French expression for
Yeah.
today and Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it. Oh, make sure you don't get it.
What?
Lagostet.
So make sure you get it.
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys. I can't believe how my hairline gone. You guys won't be seeing my hair for a long time until this grow back. Man, when you don't use to a thing, is a hell of a thing. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys turn on your notification bell because a lot of changes going on with YouTube, and boy, one day you guys might just pop up and looking forward for our videos and our channel just disappear. Anyway, you guys, we're out.